Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Trump official meme coin on Coinbase Wallet. Alright, so in order to go about this, you're going to need some cryptocurrency, and the cryptocurrency you're going to need is the Solana. So make sure you have some Solana on your wallet to complete this transaction. Now, if you don't have Solana on your Coinbase wallet, simply click on the buy option. If the buy option is not available for your Solana, you're going to have to use the swap or the receive option. Now, the swap is for tokens you have. Let's say you have some tokens on the Solana network and you wish to swap them into Solana to use and buy your Trump coins. You can do that. Or if you do not have what to swap it into, you could simply click on the receive option and simply receive your Solana tokens on your wallet by just copying or scanning your QR code. All right. Now, if you do not have any Solana to send in, I suggest you buy some Solana from a centralized exchange and easily deposit them on your Coinbase wallet. All right, guys. So with your Solana on your wallet, how can you buy the Trump coin? Click on the Solana token, click on swap, and where we have from Solana to, simply use the search to search for Trump. And you'd find official Trump. This is the token. If you wish to confirm, head over to coinmarketcap.com and verify the contract address. Once you verify the contract address, all you need to do now is simply enter an amount of US dollars you'd wish to buy your Solana tokens for. And then all you need to do now is simply click on continue. All right, guys. So from that screen, you're taken onto the swap screen where you can find the slippage tolerance, which is set to 3%. You could easily reduce this or set it at a custom amount of your choice. And then also note that you need enough Solana to be able to cover your Coinbase fee and the network fee. So there's a Coinbase fee for the transaction and there's a network fee, which is being paid in Solana. And then all you need to do is click on swap and everything is done. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.